Hello guys, good afternoon. I need to go to the grocery to buy what I need to tomorrow. This is the our building is there, the blue color building beside this white building. I'm going to the grocery. To cook adobo tomorrow. That's why I need to buy what I need. It's Thursday again, almost weekend. Tomorrow is already Friday. See? This is the wall for the cemetery. This is the wall. Around the wall, inside that is the cemetery for Muslim. This is their church, a mosque. They call it mosque, their church. Oh, it's hot. Say very hot, very hot. The temperature is very hot. Smell poops. Smell poops. The sun is so hot.